Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an update to my whole collection project pan. So if you're interested in seeing how many products we are rolling out, because we are rolling out products, and just in general the progress on my products, then just keep on watching. I will, as always, I will leave the link to the original creator in my description box. Also, there is a playlist of all the beautiful ladies that do this project. We have a group chat where we just kind of cheer each other up, and it's just so fun to do this project, not only because of the format, you know, kind of randomizing through your whole makeup collection, but because of the support system that you get from all the other ladies. It's just really good. So I will have all the information down in my description box, but let's get on with the progress. So I'm gonna leave the products that I had hit my goals on until last, and I will do all the rest first. So first off is my Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick. So I had used this lipstick 18 times since my last update, bringing me to a total of 26 times throughout its life in this project, and this is all that we have left. So I am about halfway of what I had since the beginning, and there isn't much. My goal is to use it up, so I think maybe 2-3 more months and this lipstick will be done. The way that I am using it is I am using it obviously as a lipstick, but also as a cream blush. It is the cream blush that I'm wearing on my face right now, and it just is the most beautiful color. So I will give you a swatch of the lipstick. It looks beautiful on the eyes and it looks beautiful on the face, to be honest. Such a beautiful color. Would I repurchase? I'm trying to get, you know, use up all of my bullet lipsticks, because bullet lipsticks are not my favorite type of formula, but maybe, I'm not quite sure. I don't know, maybe I would, maybe I wouldn't, I don't know, but it doesn't change the fact that I really love this formula and I love this color. Then going into the next product, which is my Catrice eyeshadow Stix. So let's see, since the last update I had used this 16 times, bringing me up to a total of 21 times throughout its life in this project. And oh my god, guys, when you see the progress pictures, I am halfway there. I am halfway there to hit my goal, because my goal was to use half of what was at the beginning, and I'm halfway there. If I kind of you know, squeeze my butt and you know, put myself to work, I should be able to roll this out next month, but 2 months is more likely, to be honest. But I'm super happy with my progress on this. I had been using this all over my eyelids. I have been using this on my waterline as a wing. I've been using this in so many ways, but you know, slowly but surely we're getting there. 1 or 2 more months max and this will be, I've met my goal basically then. So this is what the eyeshadow stick looks like. It is just a basic kind of army green eyeshadow stick. I love to put this as a base and then put something different on top of it, because on its own it's just a little bit lackluster. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. Then this we rolled in last month. This is the PS Red Lipliner. My goal is to use it up completely, or as far as I can get. So I've seen people say that, you know, you put the cap on at the back, and this is probably how much you'll be able to use up out of this lip liner, because that's as far as it will, you know, sharpen, which is fine. But anyway, this is how much we have left. You will see on the progress pictures we made a decent amount of progress. By the looks of it, let me just see how it might be. I would say 1, 2, 3, probably like 4 months still left with this guy, which is fine. This is my only red lip liner, so when I use it up I am going to have to repurchase something else. But yeah, this is the color. They're a really nice cool toned red. I'm not sure what lip liners I would repurchase, but I still have loads of time left with this, so it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Still a long way to go. I didn't tell you, over the last month I used this lip liner 15 times to make that much amount of progress. So yeah, still a long way to go. Then let's get on with the products that I did hit my goal on. My goal, okay, this is the Colourpop Lunar Hazard blush, and my goal was to hit pan on this. Now next update is actually the refresh. So I was saying that probably if I don't hit pan, I will, you know, use the refresh sort of option to roll this out and roll something else in. But in that same video I came up with the idea, hey, you can use this as a transition shade. So this is what I had been doing. I was using this as a blush and as a transition shade, you know, on my eyes. And as you can see, I was able to hit pan. Okay, so it took me an additional 6 times since the last update to hit pan. I had used it 2 more additional times after that, so 8 times since the last update, and overall I had used this blush 42 times in order to hit pan. Now I was kind of getting bored with this because, you know, it's a nice blush, but you know, I like my variety with blushes, and you know, I like to change things up a little bit. So I was kind of getting frustrated with this, but this is what the blush looks like. But eventually, you know, with my idea of using this as an eyeshadow, I was able to hit pan, which is super great. So that means this product will be rolling out. And the last product that I had was my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation. This was brand new when it was rolled in 2 months ago, and I gave myself a goal of using this 30 times, and I had met my goal. I had used this foundation 19 times since the last update, bringing me up to 30 uses altogether in this project. I really like this foundation. I did a word test. It's on my channel. I will leave a link up here if you want to check it out. And I just really enjoy this foundation. It is a good medium coverage, lightweight foundation that is not very long lasting, but it, you know, it would work for running errands and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is rolling out. So that means we are rolling in 2 new products. Okay, so I've moved to the side a little bit. I've just turned on screen recording on my phone, and you will see it on the screen right now. And so yeah, let me show you my spreadsheet. I've organized it. So I have 192 eligible makeup products to be rolled into this project. My main rule is that I will only work on 1 product from each category. So only 1 lipstick. So if I roll in a lipstick, I will re-roll eyeshadow stick and lip liner. I do not want to pan any more of these, but anything else is fair game. And now I just saw the Illamasqua illuminating gel. I had used that up, so we have 191 eligible products to roll in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Pretty Random app. So we get 192, and we will roll in 2 products. So let's randomize. the first product is number 121. I will just write it down for ease. And then the second product is 133. Okay, so let's check what they are. Product number 121 is a lip. Okay, so it is a lacquer, so it is like a lip gloss, and I don't have a lip gloss in this rotation, so actually, yeah, I'm going to pan that. And then the next is 133, and it is a lip liner, so we will be rolling something else in. So let's do that. 173. Okay, 173 is a cream blush that's in my Shop My Stash at the moment. Oh, this is going to complicate things a little bit. But yeah, I don't have a cream blush right now going on in this project. So here we go. This is going to be it. So I'm just going to grab those products, and I'll show you what they look like and so on and so forth. Oh god, I guess we don't have any gimme products going on in this project at the moment, but that's fine, that's okay. So the first thing that I rolled in is the Shiseido, wait, let me get the proper name, the proper naming of it. 121 Shiseido Techno red lipstick. So it's a lip lacquer actually, and I'm gonna swatch it because I still have to think about what I want to do with it. It will work with the lip liner in my opinion. So this is what it looks like. It is a very thick, very shiny red, very opaque red lip gloss. So I don't think I'll be able to use it up because I'm not even sure how much. There's 6 mils of this, and I don't know how much I've used already because it's quite thick, so you can't really see through the packaging. So I'm gonna give myself a goal of using this, you know what, 30 times. This is usually the amount of times that, you know, if I have a usage goal, this is the amount of times that, you know, I would like to use a product. So yeah, 30 times before I can roll this guy out. Kind of a hefty goal, but we'll see how I do. And the next product that I rolled in is this Kiss and Smink the Everything. I use, like, it can be used on your eyes, on your lips, on your cheeks. I use it as a cream blush in the shade Santorini. It is a very pigmented, and it is a beautiful, beautiful summery color. But I barely used it. I've used it a couple of times. It's in my Shop My Stash right now. It is a very shimmery, it's this color right there, and it's very pigmented, and I don't know. This is how much we have in this stick, but because it's almost brand new. I've used it a couple of times here and there, maybe up to 10 times. So I don't think using it up would be an option at the moment. But I think I would like to use this. I mean, I could probably use half of it. Give me a few minutes, I'll have to think about it. Okay, I've made my decision. I am going to put a usage goal on this also, and I want to use it 30 times. That's it. I was thinking of maybe actually, you know, having an actual physical goal to look forward to, but because this is so pigmented, you probably only really need that much for both of your cheeks. So I don't think that would be very attainable in my opinion. So 30 uses before I can roll this out. Should be a good enough goal for this project without making me feel bored with that product. But yeah, that is it for today's video. We have some interesting products this time around, very long-term products. If I really put my mind to it, I should be able to, you know, hit my goal on the eyeshadow stick, but no promises. We'll see. It might be that next update we won't have any roll-ins, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm kind of scared, but I'm kind of excited at the same time. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this a video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Please check out all the other ladies doing this project also, because it is so fun to watch. But yeah, like I said, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.